Guys, quickly, tell me the names of your beautiful dogs.
This is Chicky.
Chicky, hi Chicky. Hi. And you're gorgeous. We just are. And this is Hazel. And let me know who this other beautiful dog is.
This is Sushi.
Sushi. And why are we so Japanese?
Because they look like little tempuras and this one looks like a peanut chicky. Yeah, just
They
edible.
are so edible. And I'm actually in a marquee phase, but sushi will work. Adorable, beautiful dogs. Now tell me your names, tell me their names again, and tell me why on earth you picked these monsters. Or these monsters picked you.
I'm Vivek,
Hi Vivek.
and yeah, we saw that one Daisy.
Yeah.
I think she was found in Indranagar and abandoned probably.
And do you remember who rescued her?
Aprajita.
Okay.
Yeah, from
Huh?
Indranagar itself.
Yeah.
So yeah, so then when we saw Daisy on the internet, we're like, okay, this one looks like the one for us. It was just instant connection, right? So yes,
And isn't she a little bit like Hazel?
a little bit the noses are the
Yeah, and the eyes.
Yes.
And then you said, this is the one.
same. Yeah, this is the one.
And then how did Daisy become sushi?
Because she used to roll up at the sushi.
She looks like
I can
a
see-
tempura.
I can see that. I can see that. And how long has it been since you've had sushi?
It's about 2.5 years.
And has she just got prettier with
She
every
has.
single day?
Yes.
Oh God, she's just lovely. And here we have the mama with, it doesn't matter, we'll pick that up a little later, with this nonsense dog called Chicky, both edible completely. And how did Chicky happen to you?
Chicky happened to us roughly about 20 days ago when we were walking sushi in the area. I was spotting her around.
Yeah.
And she just followed us home and that's the story. So she adopted us actually.
You know, if it's as simple as that, I would get a lot of dogs just to walk into people's homes. And that's the best way to get a dog. Honestly, best way. So Chicky just happened and then you said, mum, bite, bite. And
and Sushi never gets along with anybody, but she just happened to take a liking and we're just like, it's meant to be. So now we have to keep her. We
absolutely.
were planning on fostering and then putting for adoption, but we just fell in way too much love with her. So now she's ours.
Absolutely. She's ours. How old do you think she would be? About 8 months, a year?
Roughly about a year and a half.
Yeah.
The vet told us, but yeah, it's.
And you think she's neutered?
we're
Not sure.
unsure, actually.
See, this is the worry that we have with community dogs or found dogs. The thing is, you may be actually operating her again, but it's worth it.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
we've actually rescued a dog who was getting onto the surgery table. She'd already been rescued. She didn't have the notch. So consider a notch for her if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Normally you wouldn't because it's a first, but consider a notch. So can we have a nice little family picture? And can we have friends of family? We're so proud of you guys. And you're at Hennur. I hope we'll add you to our squad there. The thing is, we all are indie proud.
Indie proud.
Indie proud. Absolutely. And we have this lovely focus on heal, a play on the word heal, which is happily ever after legends. HEAL, because they do heal you.
They do.
They do. So thank you so much for being such fabulous parents and for giving in to Aparajita and for giving in to this nonsense who lost the sense of direction and wandered into your home and wandered into your hearts and sushis. God bless. Indie proud guys.
Indie proud.